Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to stop sending optional data for OneDrive. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application in my desktop. In case you have not to install it right now, if you don't know how to, we have created a video for you guys. You can look at that as well. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. At the top right corner of this application, you will see a button like this that looks like a gear. Simply click on it right now. Then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, there are lots of options like settings, personal vault, send feedback and everything. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. Click on it right now. Once you're in the settings page, likewise, lots and lots of options. But right now, we simply want to opt out of sending any optional data. To do that, what you guys need to do is simply click on this privacy settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up that says Microsoft respects your privacy. Let's simply head on next. Now this page finally opened up. It's saying, do you want to send optional data about OneDrive and Office to Microsoft? It's giving you two options, send optional data, don't send optional data. Well, we do not want to send the optional data, so I'm gonna click on the second option and finally hit on accept. And guys, that's it. That's how we don't send optional data OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.